5 Steps of Vehicle Inspection, Part 2. Next, check the level of AdBlue. After the vehicle is powered on, with the engine not started, observe the level of the AdBlue tank through the display of fascia in the cab. If the level is low, replenish the tank with the appropriate amount of AdBlue. The third step is to check the air. Check if the air pressure gauge works properly. The maximum air pressure indicated by the gauge may not exceed 0.8 MPa. Then check if the service brake works normally by stepping on the service brake pedal. Afterwards, check the parking brake. When the starting air pressure is reached, release the parking brake lever and see if the vehicle can start normally. Before the vehicle starts normally, pay attention to check the duplex air pressure gauge or front and rear air pressure gauges in the cab. The pressure indicated by the 2 pointers of the duplex air pressure gauge must be greater than 0.55 MPa before the vehicle is allowed to start. For the sake of driving safely, it is best to pressurize the pneumatic system to 0.8 MPa before starting the vehicle. The fourth step is to check the battery, which should be checked regularly. When the key switch is to set on position, if the light is dim or the vehicle starts weakly, or the voltmeter indicates a voltage of below 22 volts, the battery must be charged immediately to increase the voltage to above 24 volts. Otherwise, the battery may be scrapped due to over-discharge. The fifth step is to check the steering system. 1. Check that the steering link clamps, rocker fastening bolts, and other components of steering mechanism and the steering link ball joints are fastened, and that the steering links are free of bending and deformation. 2. Then check the steering function as follows. Carry out in-situ steering to see if the wheels steer normally. During driving at a low speed, the feel of steering wheel should be comfortable. 3. Next, check for steering oil leakage. Check that the hydraulic components, pipes, and joints are free of oil leakage. 4. After that, check the wheel alignment. When the wheels are in straight position, visually check the steered wheels for obvious deflection.